So let's take a look at the higher. Ooh, what a wick! Dude, did anybody else? Was anybody else looking at this 5 minute last night, low key? Like in here, dude. When we started getting this, I was all right. Hold up. I was like, dude, this might look really good, and then it just didn't work or it didn't trigger. One minute at 9:03 was very good. Let's check. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad at all. Man, I don't think the thumbnail thing worked. That's stupid. Bless you. Bless you. I forgot she wasn't in here yet. She can't hear me. So, what up, Mano? So we kind of just got like this row of. Okay, so here we go. We got this big 4 hour that I'm gonna draw out for now. So until we inverse this, I'm down to go either way. Let me take a look at ES because I want to see if we have an SMT here. No, we don't. So we're looking pretty correlated, which is good. But we're inside this 4 hour, so I'm gonna go 4 hour. Sibby. Good morning. How are you? And then we're gonna extend this to the right. So we have basically we news swept all this buy side and all this buy side. We have a bunch of LRLR up here still. Why don't we take a look and see if there's any bearish SMTs? So we technically do have a bearish SMT here. Okay. So I'm going to mark that out for now. It's pretty obvious SMT with higher time frame highs, right? So we have an SMT right at the top or right at the bottom of all this LRLR up here. Really good buy side targets. Now, yesterday I was saying that my draw on liquidity low-key could be this swing low down here. I don't know if I'm going to marry that or not. But it does look very nice for a sell side target. So I'm going to mark that out for now. We're coming up on open in less than a minute. Man, I love all the OGs in here, bro. Shout out to the OGs. You're going to be an OG in the future? 100%. Okay, so here's open. See if we want to manipulate down. Is there, whoa. Whoa. Okay, so there is, okay. So I mean, guys, I'm trying to find an entry that's not going to be one that's invalid. I'm not seeing it. Yeah, this opening candle just literally swept everything. It's all good. We'll just be patient. Like, I am not here to be done as fast as I can. Like, obviously, I know it's nice when you are, right? But it's okay if we're not. Just tapped into this 30-second or this 1 minute gap that's been holding price down, right? See how we pushed into it, couldn't get above, couldn't get above, couldn't get above. And then this price propelled us down to take sell side, or this gap propelled us down to take sell side. Man, what an open, dude. That was gnarly. 229. Just like a quick 70 points. No big deal ski. Looking at where the daily is, if this 4 hour inverses, I want longs all day. Yeah, that's basically what I'm watching. If we want to inverse this 4 hour or not. So we do have this 4 hour right here, actually, that we're delivering out of now. Right? Hopefully NQ could like cool its jets and actually give us a setup. So calm down, buddy. Yeah, I'm low key looking for shorts or longs. I don't care. We have really good buy side targets and sell side targets. So right now I'm gonna play either side probably. With how obvious this SMT is, obviously I'm leaning a little more bearish. But we'll see. Huge 30-second gap here. Swept this. $40-point stop if you go there. Damn. So there is this 30-second short kind of playing out. I don't know how much I personally like it. I think I'm just going to be chilling for now. I don't know. Did you guys see anything about were the reports this morning good at all or anything? Do we have more news still? Oh, we have more news still in 10 minutes, so definitely don't do anything till then. I didn't see that. I saw something that was like unemployment claims were like the highest it's been in 4 years or something in the last 4 years. Maybe I read that wrong. But there was something that I was all, that doesn't sound good. Let's see. ADP, private jobs. Wait. Rising jobless rate is statistically insignificant. Okay. We shouldn't read too much into the jobless rate, into the uptick in jobless rate. Senator Hassett, I'm right. There is plenty of room for lower rates. Oh God, here we go. Here we go. Shows rise in unemployment. Okay, so I was right. Highest. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't. What time is news? 7:40 or 9:45. 9:45. We got flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, red folder, red folder, red folder. Watch out for the red folder. Watching a video till then, bro. What about stream? There's, yeah, it's right here. I have 3 monitors. Holy. It's funny because it's like we like look bullish, but we also have just so much we're trying to go through right now. You guys notice that? What time does everybody wake up to get ready to trade? How much time before market open? Uh, ideally, bro, I need like an hour, low key, because I like to like get coffee and like kind of just chill and wake up and not be like, dude, when I rush in here all tired, I am so not prepared. So I low key need like an hour, to be real. Shouldn't I just rolled out of bed and feel like I shouldn't place a trade. That's how I felt yesterday. He says an hour. Yeah, but that's what I mean though. I need that plus the hour. I need 45 minutes of snooze time plus the hour. That's how struggle I am. I know EST would be so fire. What the hell, dude? Like, look how dark it is. Look how dark it is here still. Look. Like, it's dark. What the hell? You'll probably be, I think you'd be central. Yeah, my alarm was set this morning because I was considering getting up till news or getting up for news, but then I didn't wanna. So my alarm was set at like 4 something. Here's the way I see it. It's better than getting up this early to go do landscaping like I was. Or washing windows or pressure washing. Not that those jobs are not fun. I'll be real, those jobs are fun. I actually enjoy landscaping, so I'm not even trying to complain. I don't know if I enjoy 40 plus hours a week of it, but I enjoy doing it when I want to. I'm good at it. Yeah, I've done warehouse shit so much, dude. Oh, dude, I worked for a Target distribution center. Bro, that building was 1.2 million square feet. It was freaking insane, bro. I was the guy that was stacking the boxes in the back of all the diesels. So I'd have all these packages coming down on conveyor belts from the top of the ceiling. Have like 5 different trailers you have to manage at once, and you can't let the packages stack up too far, or they won't send the packages down, and then the package has to go through the whole company again, and it like slows everything down, and they hate that. Like, bro, that was, dude, that work was brutal, man. I loved it. It was so demanding, but I loved it, dude. It was so good for my brain. It's like I got to do physical work plus like a game of Tetris at the same time, trying to stack all the boxes up. So it was like mentally stimulating, and I was getting a physical workout from it. So it was, I mean, obviously I hated it, but it was chill. Dude, nice. I pray for the best. Some words that Amy and I try and like live by is everything will work out exactly how it's supposed to. So just keep that mindset when you're going through stuff that is stressing you out or you're worried about or anxious about. Just tell yourself over and over, like, everything's going to work out exactly how it's supposed to. Even if it's not the outcome you're expecting or you want, just trust that it's working out how it's supposed to. If it didn't work out, it's because you're meant to do something else, low key. So just always just keep putting your best foot forward and just committing to what you want, and don't give up on shit. Them tickets to Oregon ain't cheap. Take the Amtrak, bro. Be more fun too. I thought about surprising Amy with an Amtrak trip somewhere this weekend, but don't say anything. Oh shit, wait. She's in here. One day when you're doing a stream, I'm going to magically appear in that camera. Bro's going to hop in here with his mullet and be like, "What up, guys?" The world needs more mullet. So 2 minutes till I guess there's more red folder. And then 2 minutes after that, I'll have the green light to actually trade. Jay's just doing some casual rundown on the market. Is my clock synced, bro? Good morning, guys. Today we shall full port the opening candle. Jay, I'm alarmed at how many times you've actually said that so far, to be honest. Bro's mentioned full porting the opening candle a few times, and I'm scared on where he's getting it from. No, Dodgy, no. Don't go in there, Jay. Didn't you watch my video, bro? When you're surrounded by degens, don't follow. Come on, man. Watch my short. Watch my short. And if you people out there do decide to degen, just know that you can get brand new Lucid accounts, 50% off using code OKNQ if you've never got one before. And if you have got one before, it's 40% off the 25K and the 50Ks. Boom. Lock in. Yeah, but is Lucid any good? And Lucid, hey guys, and Lucid does allow news trading on your evals and your fundeds. Bang. Just throwing that out. Yeah, the news that was that supposed to be news? I wonder if I can make Sonobot talk about your code with a command. Oh, shit. You know what else we need in here is we need a support chat channel where people can open a support ticket. Sonobot can do tickets. Good old Sonobot. So we're still holding this 1 minute. Could get the close below with a 1 minute and an OB. It's a little close to the swing low, but it's probably a safe BE if it doesn't go before it. So there's the first swing. You could probably go to this low, maybe. That's a little not the best entry, though. I wouldn't be taking this. That was like an immediate BE. So wick down, hit the swing low, and you'd be BE on that. So that was kind of lame. Boo! Boo! Sonobot is goated. Fastest BE of your life, for real. Just for it to probably go down still, too. What up, Muffin? There is this little 30-second that didn't trigger. Man, dude, this PA is wildin', bro. So we did get this little sweep here. We have delivery. We have LRLR above. There's this 2 minute. 75. So there's this 2 minute long here. Unless it's just going to go without us. Not a big fan of this PA so far, low-key. So there's the 2 minute. Yeah, I'm also not taking anything right now. Be something like this, probably. Down the 2 minute might have been the play. I was just kind of slow. Can't sign in the top step. What the hell? Man, Project X goated. So, honestly, I'm, excuse me. I'm going to kind of like, as much as I think this is going to work, I'm going to kind of take my time until we like get out of this little area here. So the 2 minute, you'd be up probably enough points to be up like 20-ish points. 20. You went BE. Anyone else try this 2 minute? TP is BE. Oh yeah, that's probably fair. I mean, it's more points than I realized. So this BE would be 30ish points. So it's not bad. Damn. Yeah, I'm probably safer to go BE here because, like, at this point, I feel like we shouldn't go anywhere else but at least to this high. Like, the way we swept this low, this momentum up was crazy. We inversed this whole thing, in good conditions. This won't come back like this. This won't dick around like this. So it's probably better to go BE sooner than later on that. I've come to the conclusion I don't really like Dodgy's indicator. So, damn. Bro. Yep. I'm with you there on hating life, sir. Ah. Did anyone? Please tell me someone. Please tell me someone. Oh man, that 2 minute was fire. We're probably gonna run all this LRLR right now, dude. So this momentum, I'm feeling like we're gonna reach up for 443. To be honest. Shit. Damn it. Woo. So did we didn't break the SMT yet. Short incoming. I don't know. No. Called out this 2 minute long right here, but I didn't get in. But called out this 2 minute. Break even was right here, and then TP was here. Jazik and Jay are indeed the same person. Whoa. There's this 30-second right here. This would be the BE there. Because we swept this high, right? We have delivery from the 4-hour, but I mean, this is starting to look more bullish now, right? I don't know if I'm going to be looking for a short anymore. 30-second. It's a 1 minute. So there's the 1 minute inverse. It would look something like this. BE would be there. You could probably just try and target anywhere in this unfilled. But again, this looks too bullish for me now. I'm chilling. I gotta wait and see what we actually want to do, bro, because this is the 2 minute. I definitely regret not taking. To be transparent, I regret not taking that. That was really good. So now I don't want to just be like, okay, I'm going to turn around and take something else because I feel like I missed that. Does that make sense? Like, You don't want to do that to yourself. Sheesh. That's so fire. Dude, you guys, the wrong person is up here streaming. That's all I'm saying. Amy should be the one. This momentum, dude, I really just like 442 though. Seriously. Like there's so much LRLR here. I really, really like 442 and a tap into this BPR up here. So that's where I'm looking at we're heading right now. I missed my setup, so it's chill. I'll just wait and see what happens when we get into here. One thing that I've been trying to wake up and tell myself before we hop on here, and I started doing that today, is like as badly as we want it to be, it's not our job to come here and be perfect every day, right? Like our only job is to manage our risk and take the setups that we want. That's it. So I'm going to use that mindset to get better at taking L's low key. In 1 minute long. Like this new one? Or the original one down here? Are you in a new setup? Can't be. Be right back. TP hit, bang. Should have held for 434. Or 442, I mean. No? Why not? This is going to smack. You revenge traded? So you didn't want to hold for too long because it was a revenge trade? Is that what you're saying? Okay. That's fair. W awareness. Tradeify just told people to halt trading Project X. Dude, man, you will not catch me ever using that platform again. Straight up. Problems. Okay, so we finally did get the 4-hour inverse, so obviously now I'm really bullish. Now, does that mean that we won't get some sort of a rebalance on this big 4-hour candle? No, not necessarily. I'm sure we will, but now my bias, right, is a little more confirmed for the short term. It's crashed multiple times. Yeah, it crashes every week. Like, bro, oh, but the UI is so clean. Yeah, but it works 5 days out of the month. Or it doesn't work 5 days out of the month. Like, in what we do, we need those days. Those days are important. If you missed on a trade or something, dude, no, they have like people will like lose accounts because of that shit malfunctioning. Like people's accounts will get blown because of that malfunctioning. It's bad, dude. Yeah. Have to open support tickets, wait for them to fix it. Nope. Glad I did all the testing for you, bet. Damn. Dude, this PA is kind of crazy. So for some reason, we dump down and get this 3-minute short. I might have to give that a shot. I know I just said that I'm like now bullish, but if we rip down and close below this, then I might have to try. But yeah, that would suck. Did we break this SMT yet? We did. Okay, so this SMT is broken. Jeez, bro. Let's just go back down. There you go. So I'm still looking for. Honestly, I'm thinking that this LRLR is going to get ran, but it might not. Let's check and see if ES ran at all. Because ES, we could have an SMT right now. Oh, so we do have an SMT here, actually. So we have a bearish SMT right now. See how long, if at all, that wants to last. I've tried. It's just a little confusing still, I think. But I have a video on it too. So we put in this 1 minute, right? That's holding down now. Yeah. One minute long could end world starvation. Okay. Dude. Dude, shut up, bro. Okay, so basically Sean's saying that the vision on this 1 minute looks like this. The vision on this 1 minute looks like this. Where'd it go? It's gone. Oh, it's right here. So yeah, we just hold this 1 minute to all-time highs. Dude, bro. That's got me cracking up, dude. If it fails, is the world ending? That's a terrible reaction. Reaction says it's the end. Sorry, everyone. It's the last stream ever. What do you guys think about the short? If the 10:08 candle would have closed higher, I would have taken the 30-second short. 10:08. Oh yeah, there's just not really any gaps. Damn, bro, this is a huge stop loss on this. Now it's dumping without you, sad. Nah, you're good. We need a ending world hunger play. So we have it's a 15-minute time frame SMT. You took that and you're now starving? Wonder what VIX is at, low key. 16.7. Not crazy high. Hulk slammed your desk. Now it's still holding up. Everyone loves a good Hulk smash. Hello, Tuna. So still kind of pushing out of that 3 minute. It's a 3 minute, a 1 minute, a 30-second, 2 minute. But we have this SMT. So here's the 15-minute close. I'm going to hop over the 15-minute, see what that looks like. Please don't put in an order block to all-time highs. NQ at the daily 50%. ES is not. We're within the 10 a.m. reversal time still, I feel like. It's only 10:15. So 2 minutes till we might get this 3-minute. And now the indicators crashed. W. Best $40 of my life. Damn, it didn't even have a trial or nothing. Rip. So 1 minute. Two and three close at the same time. Baby 3-minute that held price up below this major 3. Ten. So didn't get the 3-minute. The 2-minute closed. It's hard for me not to get in just now, really. Because I kind of feel like this 2-minute works. But I'm just going to wait for the 3. Didn't close below the 30-second either. All right. Right there. If we start getting like some good momentum, though, I might hop in. Just to be real. One minute still didn't close below either. About another minute and a half. Minute. 40 seconds. Rah, 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 rah. Our dogs are nutties. No close on the 3 minute still there. That's kind of toxic. Yep, no close still. Wow. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We didn't want to take that or anything. It's fine. We'll just stay here for another 3 minutes. Hope it doesn't go invalid by then. Bro, don't you do it. So 30-second just tapped into this little 30-second gap. Looks like we inversed the 1 minute. SMT at the lows matter? It sure would. So ES has already hit our target down here. But I'm going to try this anyway.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, now I'm looking at SMT everywhere since I was logging into SMT in 1 minute I didn't see it.
Order submitted.
Boom. We're out. What a play. Let's go. Smash flatten all button. Nice. Good shit. So we're all out there. I could see this going lower still, but that's fine. We'll take that. 211. Oh, it took me out a few points early, but that's okay. Like 37-ish points. Good shit. Oops, accidentally took 3 minis. Okay, well, Tanya just printed. Tanya just absolutely printed. Sir, I may have another. Another what? Did anyone else try the 3-minute? Bet. May I have another banger call out? Please, sir. May I have one more? You did 1 minute. You did 1M, but yes. Oh, you took the 1 minute instead of the 3-minute, is what you're saying? Dude, Jay's out here deciding his own inverses on week 2. What a legend, bro. He's gonna low key be a phenom. So December PA is basically telling me that's gonna be my only funded play today. What up, Oksano? You are a disciplined muff. Why you say that? So, man, what trade did I took? I took this 3-minute short right here. I was looking at your journal. 1 trade, 2 max a day. Yeah. There's been occasions where I've gone up as high as 4, but that makes me feel weird, and normally it doesn't. It's not fun. So we swept this low. We are kind of getting we are getting a reaction out of this. There is a 2-minute right here, but you also have to pay attention to like this run down, right? So there is a 2-minute here. It looks really V-shapey. There's a 4-minute above, a 5-minute, 30-second, 19 seconds till that inverses. So we have the sweep. The only thing I don't like that much is the targets are kind of mid. Like the targets are, I mean, they're good, but they're only visible on the 30-second time frame, right? So like when I look at the 2-minute, it just looks like a run up that I would have to hope that we don't stall on. But there's the entry on the 2-minute. I'd go BE probably here, if not here. So maybe either here or here, however confident you're feeling on that. So the 2 minute would be like that. Oh, 25 points. Okay, so I would already be BE, but that's just me. So here's the 2 minute. This would be like BE/scale low key, if not full, because that's a good 40 points. And you're kind of just hoping that we go up through this 15-minute gap that we just put in. So could be just a reaction out of sweeping the lows. I don't know if it's going to actually be a turnaround, right? It could just be a reaction from us sweeping the lows. Whether we are actually going to turn around right here, I don't know yet. So that's good. Is anyone in this 2 minute? ES has nasty equalos. Oh, man. No, just let them go. They're good. Jay Brown, did you take this or not? You said you wanted another banger call out. I gave you one. And bang, there's TP. Listen, did anyone take that one? This is like one after another right now. Holy. You're still in it? Bet. One trade a day for me. W. Equalos, highs on ES for me. Doesn't count. It always does that. Yeah. What a banger, dude. Holy. Yeah, right. You took 3 minis. You probably don't have to trade the rest of the month. So I would be scaled and leave runners probably to like here. Maybe higher. But I would definitely secure some of these profits right now if you're able to. Because this, like I said, this could have just been a 50% retrace of this down move here, right? So we put in this little down leg, jar 50%. It could be that we're just reaching up to get into a discount or a premium, maybe tap into this gap up here and then get a reaction. Dude, yeah, 3. That was crazy because that play worked like instantly. I think it was in like 2 points drawdown, maybe. That's nuts. What made take trade? Okay. So what made what the heck? What made take the trade even SMT at the lows? So honestly, once we finally inverse this 3 minute, we have a 15-minute SMT at the top, and we have delivery. I'm not gonna pay too much attention to that, honestly. Like, yes, we use SMTs as potential reversal setups, but I also they're good targets too. So that momentum was too good, but that was purely like I trusted the liquidity on that point because I know ES already took it, but it wasn't very convincing. Right? Let's see. Let's go back over here. Oops. So I know that ES technically had already swept it, but you see how it wasn't very aggressively? Like it was just small candles, right? So that I kind of trusted that we would get more of an impulse move down while NQ wanted to take the lows too. You were dead ass mouse over the log out button before that long. Dude, that long was fire. So, called out this 2 minute, then the 3 minute, then this 2 minute long. And we could be putting in an OB to go higher on this 2 minute. So you might be chilling to here, low key, if you're in this 2 minutes still. According to indicator, 305.50 was BE. Yeah, but according to the indicator, gap that was 2 points was an A plus setup. $305.50 was BE. No way, bro. You'd have to go BE way sooner than that. Like, bro, nobody on earth. I mean, some people are, but there's no way you're gonna wait 65 points to go BE, bro. Who are you, dude? If someone's out there doing that, shout out to you because you have bigger balls than I'll ever have. Holy, 60 points at no BE. That's crazy. Yeah, that's good. That's wild. So that's why I was saying you want to scale, right? Scale and secure some of the bag because we don't know if this is just a 50% retrace of this down move. So you see, look, we couldn't even get up to the 50 here. It held that tough. Barely. And now we're going back down. So good play on the 2 minute. It would be scale / BE. Dude, Sean, you want to hear something crazy? Earlier this year, price, the volatility was nuts. Like before we moved here, remember the volatility? And bro, I was getting into plays and I would be up like 70, 80 points and just holding and not have taken any profits or scaled or anything and just watch that shit go all the way back to my entry, bro. Do you remember when I was doing that? Oh my God, dude. I would be up so much. And then be like, nope, TP or nothing else. I'd be trying to go for like 100-something point bangers every single play. And I was getting so mad, dude. There was one week where I was up like, over the course of a few days, I was up easily a couple 100 points and didn't have any of it because I just let it all come all the way back. Not good. L mindset. If this 2 minute down inverses, we should come for this low again, if not more LRLR down here. This is looking a lot more bearish, which I love. So we put in this 15-minute SMT, right? We inverse the 4 hour, but now look what we're doing. All right, so we inverse the 4 hour, but it's failing. So let's try and find a gap that is holding us down right now. Okay, so I know it's not that obvious, but I'm going to draw out this little like double 3 minute action here because there's nothing else, dude. New emoji unlocked. Oh, God. Okay. So this 2 minutes still trying to inverse. It's not really like A plus, but it could be like a continuation setup, right? Because we didn't really have a sweep of anything. It's just kind of like a retrace and then redeliver. But it would be something like go for this low, maybe. Right? BE at this low. You grabbed the long or short this morning? I took the 3 minute short. I called out this 2 minute long, which some people in here took. But then I ended up taking this 3 minute down. Or wait, it was this. So cut the 3 minute. And then turned around and called out this 2 minute long for like a scalp. No more live trading for me today. 3 more days of live trading for the rest of the year for me. Gonna tap the 4 hour at 146.5 maybe. Oof, that would be fire. I mean, fingers stop. Listen to my brain today. No trades. I like 848. So I know we inverse this 4 hour up, but if this wants to fail, I really, really like 848. And also this new day opening gap down here. Oh, wait, it's not even an end dog. It's just a giant gap. That's weird. You just passed the eval that I gave you. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Good shit. Lucid's fast, bro. You're going to be able to activate that shit in like 20 minutes. Just so you know. Check your dashboard and get literally in like 20 minutes and you'll be able to activate it today and trade it today. Not saying you should, but. Oh, don't say that. Okay. What I meant to say was you can't activate it or trade it till tomorrow. So that's what I meant to say. So the 2 minute never triggered. Oh wait, it did. I have no confidence in anything anymore. We've done a lot. Like if we're able to call out basically 3 A plus setups by 8 o'clock or 11 o'clock, you should probably not be trading anymore. That was fast. It's funded now. Dude, I told you, bro. Lucid is so fast, bro. And guess what? They're gonna approve your they'll approve your oh, it's pending. They'll approve your payout even faster. These TP and BE marks are wild. Yeah, bro. Like, dude, that's bro. 156 could get a small bounce. Where's 156? So this 2 minutes gonna fail. So you're saying we tap down into this 1 hour and get a bounce? Not only is taking two TPs 5 points apart crazy, but they're both over 100 points from the entry. What the fuck? You think I'm going to wait over 100 points to have two TPs that are 5 points apart? What sense does that make? Let's think about this. Like, excuse my language, but that's dumb as shit. Whoa. So we're just tapping into this 5 minute here that keeps holding price down. Yeah, not paying for this indicator. Bro, you're already identifying setups that you don't even need it. Like, I was like, I took the 3. Did anyone take it? And you're all, I took the 1. Like, all on your own. You don't need that shit. They approved the funded. That was fast. Hey, I told you. Sheesh. Good shit, dude. Lucid for the win. Absolutely Lucid for the win. So YouTube chat, just to let you know, someone in the chat and Discord trades with Lucid. They just passed the eval and it's already activated and funded, ready to trade right now. If you want to match that energy, use code OKNQ. Flex or pro? Flex, dude. No consistency rule, no buffer zone. He already knows. He just wants me to do an ad. Got it. So there is this 5 minute here. Honestly, it's not bad at all because we swept all this. We swept this. Ooh, and we have an SMT here. So ES already swept this low down here. So we have an SMT here, right? Delivery from this 1 hour order block, maybe. Oh, delivery from the 4 hour. Okay. Let's see the FVG size. Wrong button. So definitely big enough. Next, teaching my friend to trade video should be on SMTs. Okay. We can do that. Oh, and also, if you've never traded with Lucid before, your first 2 eval purchases are at 50% off, not 40. So, not bad. Kind of already skipped FVG and iFVG videos we could have made. Yeah, that's fair. But it's all good. Spent all last week just watching shit on that, on FVGs and iFVGs. Yeah. Is there anything that you're not really getting yet? Like, is there stuff that you still don't really understand yet? Just as far as FVGs and iFVGs. Okay. Well, I was going to start busting down what SMTs are right now, but I guess you're right. Probably should just make a video out of it, huh? It's funnier when we're both on voice, I think. I still have to make the other one. Dude, I have so much shit. The play where Jay traded live and wasn't supposed to. Bro was just like, well, that was fun. $530 easy. That's right. You hear that out here, chat? My friend does not know how to trade and is in here up $500 on his eval already just from signaling. If you guys want to do the same thing, just join up. Oh, you're up 1K? Oh, he's up 1K. Bro's been trading for 2 weeks. He's up 1K on his evals. So come on. If you're not in here, you're missing out. That's the beauty of watching someone who actually trades on freaking screen. You actually know what they're doing instead of hindsight shit. So now let me explain this 2 minute. I would like this 2 minute way more. Why? Because now we put in an ITH, swept that, right? So now we can add sweep to our setup criteria, right? Earlier on the first 2 minute, we couldn't because there was no sweep. It was just a retrace. But now we have a sweep here, right? Because we put in this ITH. So we have the sweep, we have FVG size, we have delivery out of this 5 minute, and then we have targets down here. So technically this 2 minute would fit. Accidentally did a trade. Brother. So this is micros always over minis. Hey man, I trade minis. What up? How you doing? So we kind of tapped back into, took a loss today. What was it? So we tapped back into like 50% of this, right? And now we're kind of pushing up and getting this little 30 second. It didn't inverse there. It's a 1 minute. Oh man. Okay. Was that just because I had my candles way stretched out, or was that energetic? Did anyone see that? You know, like sometimes you can just see the energy behind the candles. And you're just like, damn, okay. I love that. It was supposed to be a small loss, but I took out my stop loss and added to my position. Oh no. Uh-oh. I can confidently say that has worked for me 0% of the time. 350 in drawdown? Nah, you're good. You can come back for that. Or from that. I was 1 day away from payout. There it is. There it is. Hey, man. We're always 1 day away from something, bro. But you can't, like, do that to yourself. Don't worry about it. Honestly, shake it off and just come back ready. You're good. I know it's irritating and frustrating, and you're probably really mad at yourself right now, but it's not a big deal. 350 is not a lot. We can make that back just as easily as we lost it. Took it. Yeah, last week, man, last Monday, we took a gnarly loss in here. It was bad. A couple of them. So we're pushing up through this 5 minute. It's got 25 seconds till the close. Really getting energy behind this candle right now. You were ready to get the bag, dude? Aren't we all? There is this little tiny 30-second gap here. That's the last gap, which are always kind of tough to break. So be careful of that. There's the 5 minute. BE would probably be, well, according to the indicator, BE would probably be like 200 points away. But I think we're going to actually be smart and go be at this high. 339. So it'd be like this. And then we'd want to target the break of this SMT probably, if not up to here. That would be an absolute banger, dude. Did anyone hop in this 5 minute? Called out this 2 minute here after open. So some people took that. I didn't. And then I took, so there's your BE, if not scaling. And then I took this 3 minute short down to this low. And then after that, called out this 2 minute long for a quick like scalp / BE. And now calling out this 5 minute. So, but you should be BE on the 5 minute there. See how we tapped this wick and tapped into this gap? If no one's in the 5 minute, that makes me happy because that tells me we're not over trading. Because, like, we should be good at this point, right? Are we? I feel like we should be good on this point. It's hard not to, but yeah. So when you start feeling like it's hard not to, that's just a good way to be more proud of yourself for not. So you see how when we get into this last gap up here, right, you don't want this to hold. So that's why we picked that spot as a BE, because we've wicked into this a few times, right? So probably going to be a break-even play, depending on how much conviction you have, if you want to hold still or not. But that would be BE for me there, so. All right, you guys. Coming up on 11. I'm going to hop off for a bit. So I will talk to y'all for PM.